Hey, it's Kelly Dix. Let's take a quick look through Garfield Manor. Garfield Manor is one of the condo complexes located in Clinton Township, Michigan. There are 98 units in this complex, so it's a pretty small complex. They're all one-story units, and they're located just north of 18 Mile and west of Garfield. They have 2 bedrooms, and most of them have at least 2 bathrooms. They feature a first floor laundry, basement, and an attached 2-car garage. These units were built in the early 1990s. Their square footage ranges from 1,170 square feet up to around 1,240 square feet. In the last year, they've sold in between $210,000 up to around $230,000. If you have any more interest in Clinton Township condos, real estate in general, please reach out. I'd be happy to help. Thank you.